Gcet एजुकेशनल हब में सभी देखने और सुनने वालों को अस्सलामुअलैकुम। Today our topic is educational pedagogy test preparation. Here are some MCQs as waste of all in scope. Some options are test, assessment, evaluation and measurements. The right answer of this is evaluation. Now we move on our next question. The next question is, the discrimination value is more than 0.4 mean. Here are some options. Item is weak, item is good, item is acceptable, and none. The right answer of this question is item is acceptable. Now we will move on our next question. The next question of our slide is, the difference between maximum and minimum value is. Some options are given below here as range, mode, mean, none. The right answer of this question is range. Now we will move on our next question. The next question of this slide is given as, you can read here as, which question are difficult to make with reliability. Some options are given below. You can read them: short answers, structured essay, unstructured essay, and multiple type questions. The right answer of this MCQs is unstructured essay. The next question of this slide, as you can read here, the appearance of normal curve resemble with. Some options are given below as V shape, U, bell, and none. The right answer of this MCQs is bell. These all MCQs are related to educational pedagogy. Now we will move on our next question. The next question is, the test designed to predicate future performance is. Options are given as amplitude test, achievement test, norm reference test, and certain revenues test. The right answer of this question is amplitude test. Educational pedagogy relate with educational achievements. The next question of this slide is given as, if the sample of the question in the test is suffering large enough, the quality of the test is. Options are given as adequacy, reliability, objectivity, different ability. The right answer of this question is adequacy. Pedagogy helps us to develop good learning skill in the students. The next question of this slide is given as, the test item is not discriminate low achievers and high achievers when its value is lower than. Options are given as 0.3, 1, 0.30-1, and none. The right answer of this question is 0.3. Pedagogy gives us the right direction to achieve our objectives. The next question of this slide is given as, the first step in measurement is. Some options are given below as decision of what to measure, development of the test, administrating the test, and none. The right answer of this question is decision of what to measure. Thank you for watching. We will be here with you with next video. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. This is best place for you to learn education pedagogy and all related educational topics. If you have any question, please Write in comment section. Thank you for watching.